We got a couple more products from Mizuto. These are cup holders that attach to your front doors, the left side and right side. So it just gives us a couple more cup holder options in the vehicle because our center one's usually filled up with phones and keys and whatever else we have. So we're gonna get these installed today, test out some different cups, see what they actually hold. So let's open up the boxes and see what's inside. All right, so we're gonna open it up and see what's inside the box. As always, their packaging is really nice. Comes bubble wrapped. Instructions, that's it. So this is the actual piece. So this will sit where the window is. On the bottom has nice padding so it doesn't mess up your door, and then 3M tape so it sticks onto the door a little better. Really nice quality though. And the other thing was the instructions on how to install it. All right guys, so let's head out to the garage and get this installed. All right, before we stick it on, I just wanted to show you, it has the same contour just as your door right here. So this is where it's gonna be placed. All right, to install it, you would just peel the tape off here so you have your adhesive. And also, like I said, it has the padding here so it doesn't mess up your door panel. All right, so to install it, we just kind of get it right in place. It kind of like slides right into place and just push down. That's it. So this is what it looks like installed. It's not really in the way. You still have access to your buttons, door handle. First, I wanted to point out there was a little rubber insert here for your cups. Kind of matches what we have now in the center console. All right, so we got a Starbucks cup. We're just gonna test that out. Fits nicely. All right, so this is what it looks like right here. I'm not sure if you go too much taller if it's gonna interfere with the handle or not. This is what it looks like. It's out of the way, it works out perfect. All right, so we got a bigger cup here. Well, there's a little gap down there, so it doesn't fit all the way. We got a large Starbucks cup here. Fits. We're gonna see if it interferes with the handle. So here's the large Starbucks cup. It's close to the handle, but I mean, you can still pull it out and use it. So it's just real close to your window. I don't know if you take a turn, if that's gonna knock on the window and break it, but it's real close. All right, so my thoughts on this. This is probably great for cans, Starbucks cups that you get through the drive-thru or whatever. Anything larger, I think a little too close to the window and it's maybe in the way of the handle. So I'd stick with the cans, the Starbucks cups, not a big deal. Whatever your normal coffee is. It is great to have though. I do think it's nice to have a few extra cup holders in here, you know. Frees up some space in the center too. I'll leave a link in this in the description if you guys want to check it out for yourself on our Amazon. All right guys, leave us a comment below. Is this something you'd use in your Jeep? Remember to like this video and subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.